Hello students, next point is section formula. We have to derive the equation for internal and external division formula. So here we have to consider the 2 points, that is let P of x1 y1 z1 and Q of x2 y2 z2 are any two given points, and let R divides the PQ internally in the ratio m is to n. In the ratio m is to n internally, then we have to draw here PL, QM and RN perpendicular to XY plane. So this plane is XY plane. We have to draw here PL, RN, QM perpendicular to XY plane. Obviously PL parallel to RN parallel to QM, and feet of this perpendicular lies on the XY plane. Let the points L, M, N will be lies on the line. L, M, N will be lies on the line which is the intersection of the XY plane containing PL, RN and QM with XY plane. Through a point R, we have to draw the line ST, that is parallel to LM. So this is parallel to this line. These two lines should be parallel. Then the line ST intersect the QM or MQ, QR or MQ internally, and the point S intersect the line PL externally in the ratio m is to n as shown in the figure. Also note that the quadrilaterals LNRS, LNRS and NMTR, NMTR are the parallelograms. Therefore, we can consider here PSR and QRT are the similar triangles. Therefore, by taking the ratio, we will find out the value of this one. So, first explain the diagram. Next, we will derive the equation for internal division and external division. So first point is let P and Q are the any two points x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z1, and the point R divides the plane PQ internally. This, so we have to find out this lines. This is the internal division and this is for the external division values. Therefore we have to consider. So consider here PSR and QTR are similar triangle. PSR, QTR are the similar triangles. Therefore, M divided by N equal to PR, N equal to QR. This distance is, or you can write PR equal to SP. PR equal to SP because these two are the similar triangles. Next, QR equal to, we can write QT. Therefore, we have to simplify this equation. So we can write SP as SP as SL minus PL. SL minus, and QT as QM minus TM minus TM. Now substitute the value. SL is nothing but, we can write by taking the similar triangles, we can write this one as SL equal to NR, SL equal to NR because these lines are the parallel lines. SL equal to NR. Next, similarly we can write PL equal to PL. Next, QM equal to QM. Next, TM equal to TM. So now we can write the value of NR. So that coordinate is Z because R of X, Y, Z. Therefore, that coordinate here, that is Z. Next, PL is nothing but Z1 because P of x1, y1, z1, next Q as x2, y2, z2. Therefore, Qm, that is z2, Tm. So Tm is again nothing but the PL, that is z. Or you can write here PL. So you will get here coordinate of first value as z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Next, simplify this equation, that is take m into z2 minus z1 equal to n into z minus z1. So multiply the value m z2 minus m z1 equal to n z minus n z1. So take z1 here, that is m z2, take a value to here, that is minus n z1 plus m z1. So next we can write here m z2 minus nz as it is. Next we can write this one as m z1 minus nz1. So next consider here m z2 plus nz1 equal to mz plus nz. So mz2 plus nz1 equal to, take z common, remaining value is m plus n. Therefore coordinate of z is mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, we can find out the value of y coordinate, that is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Next x coordinate as mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Therefore, if the point R divides internally in the ratio m is to n, then the coordinate of the internal section formula, that is therefore coordinates are x, y, z equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Next my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Next mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, we can derive for the internal division formula, that is mx2 minus nx1 divided by m plus n. Next my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. This is also minus. Next mz2 minus nz1 divided by m minus n. So this is the required result. Next note, first one is if they given midpoint, means they will give ratio m equal to n equal to 1, then coordinates are, if you consider only two coordinates, then x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and z1 plus z2 by 2. Next, second one, the coordinates of the point R, which divides PQ in the ratio k is to 1, are obtained by taking the k equal to m by n. So this result is used in solving the problems involving general point on the line passing through the point. So they will ask to find the value of the ratio, then we have to use this result. So that is, instead of m equal to use k, n equal to use 1. So that required equation will be kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1. Very important result. Next ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Next kz2 plus z1 divided by k plus 1. So we have to use this result while solving the problems involving the general point on the line passing through 2 points. So we have to use this result. If you want, you can note that equation. So remember this equation, that is this result is used in solving problems involving the general point on the line passing through two points. In next class we will solve the examples on these results.